Hello, I'm Chaitanya Dhoni, and today we're going to be making another thing. This time it's going to be Christmas themed. Except I wanted to do something a little bit different so that I'll ready the code for you. And this time I won't do everything exactly in front of your eyes so that we can save a little bit of time instead of me doing it. So I'm going to now get into the thing and create a new story. So first I'm gonna get there. Okay, so what I did here is I added some snow and I added a little background. So now I'm just gonna edit this people's code. So I did some code also to say some stuff. So I'm gonna edit this and see how this goes. Okay, I'm just gonna try to speed through and show you what I've done. So right now I'm just editing some of the dialogues. Okay, I think that works. Now I'm gonna keep. Okay, so this works, and I'm just gonna keep on editing some of my code to make sure for any problems that might need to be fixed. Okay, I'm gonna check again. Okay, so now he will be saying stuff like, okay, so how do we ride reindeer? And he'll be saying that they'll need that Santa told them to go and deliver the presents this year. So this should be kind of a fun experience and a different experience. So I think that this will be quite good. So now, okay, so I think the dialogues work. Let me just test the dialogue. Okay, so I think for this scene it worked. I'm just gonna click this. So I think this is a little bit better. Yeah, so I think, so this is what I made so far, where they now have to deliver the presents. So I think this scene is done. I'm also wanting to show you these other scenes. But before I get there, I want to show you how I necessarily got all the way here. So off camera, while the recording was paused, I've been editing quite a lot of characters and backgrounds. So I created this background for futuristic vibes, and this one also, and this one right here. So since I don't want to bore you with how I made it in the code, I just quickly made it. So now let's go back and let's edit this. I want to make sure that this works properly. So now I'm going to edit this script. Okay, so it looks like nobody's here. And let me add these. So I've added this, and let me add some script for the, okay, so I added some script for this, and I'm gonna just test this out. So I think this one works. I just created this other scene, and all I did was add the background. So I'm gonna edit this. Okay, so now I finally edited some of this clip, and I think this code is proper. I might need to check for this, but I think relatively, now I'm just gonna test it. Okay, so now, yeah, it looks like it worked. So I'm just gonna keep doing stuff like this. And for the next one, okay, so I added the scripts. So now the code has been set. Okay, so now I think that this also should work. So what I'm doing is the gift also comes here and immediately pops it out, kind of like that. So now he also moves there, and that works just as I wanted. Sorry if I'm going a little bit quicker to this, but I kind of like doing stuff off camera so that I can make the recording a little bit quicker. So now let's get to the final thing. Okay, so I just typed yes, we helped Santa, and I think we're done with this code. So I'm just gonna test this out. Okay, so I also added it so that these guys are a little bit futuristic. I mean, not guys, I mean elves. I also want to change this. I'm going to make this Christmas helpers. And I wanted to show you how I built this. So first let's go to the background. And here is how I built it. I went to this and I just clicked a bunch of these. So these are the backgrounds I've used. Also, these are the cars. And pretty much, other than quickly doing this one thing, sorry if this is a little too quick, but yeah, I created a candy cane and these just for the snow background. And I'm just gonna play this out. Okay. Oh, so there they go. Yeah, okay, so that's supposed to work as I wanted. Now they drop here. Okay, so now they're pretty much just dropping presents from the sky into their chimneys, I think. So that's pretty much all I have. And I also added a few characters like this, the present, where he moves like this. And these two elves and our futuristic car. So other than that, bye. And I hope I see you next time in the Coding for Beginners 5, I think. Bye.